Hi guys, so come do this with me. So we have this number. Let's plug it in. Oh wow. It's supposed to look like this, like that. And we're going to put this.
Kung walang tumulong sa amin, malamang hanggang ngayon nasa bangketa ka.
Let's put it. If it's like that, I'll put it over there. Yep, that's finished. Beep. Ooh. We're going to cut it down. This is the key to open it. Wait, this just.